To start a saltwater aquarium, many manufacturers offer all-in-one tanks that will have the pump, filter, and skimmer already sized for you. Then you'll want to add a heater set to 77 degrees. I use purified water for saltwater aquariums, as saltwater fish and corals are sensitive to impurities in tap water. Then take an artificial salt mix and mix into the water to specific gravity 1.026 or 35 parts per thousand, which you can measure with a hydrometer. Add your sand and rock. If you can source live sand and live rock from an aquarium store, this will cut the cycle time down. Add a bacterial starter solution to introduce beneficial bacteria. Then you can add a few small hardy fish like damselfish or clownfish. Then monitor ammonia and nitrite through the 4-week cycle, doing water changes if either of these goes too high.